Hi everyone. So I have a poorly installed AC, meaning that the water is not being drained properly. I'm not in position to tilt it, so basically it was stuck and the neighbor downstairs is complaining. So I came up with a hack. So what I did is I took a plastic container such as this, I cut out a hole on one end, then I took a rollable plastic like this, I made a tube, I taped it up with a good tape, and I attached to the AC. So let me show you guys how it's working. Yeah, so problem solved. Thank you so much for watching. All the best. Please subscribe. Bye bye.